Hello everyone. Hope everyone ended today green. I just wanted to do a quick SPY recap on the alert that I gave out today in the Mustache trading courtroom. So I'm not a financial advisor, of course. This is for educational purposes only. So this morning, as the market opened, we had a sell-off. So sometimes the market sells off and then it will bounce and go to the upside. So this morning we had about 5 or 6 rejections at this point. So I alerted puts for $3.93. They were only 15 cents. They ran to 30 cents. So I normally run the $50 challenge room in Mustache Court trading room. I only alert plays that are $50 or less. So that was the reason for this cheap entry that was out of the money. It went from 15 cents to 30 cents, which was 100% return. I do my best to post charts if I have time to. So I teach as I go, which I prefer teaching more than I do alerting. So this morning I only used the resistance level to alert the play. With that many rejections, and it's under the 50 EMA, even if it was a quick scalp, it was a very high profitable trade. So I felt very comfortable with that alert. So as you see, it ran way down here to $3.99.55. And you can also do this with your call entries. Just finding the levels can help you get in and out of a trade. So if you were to take a call entry here, my exit would be right here before you get to the 50 EMA, since we could not get above it all day. At this point here, the contracts were 9 cents and they ran to 14 cents, which was a 55% return on your money. Here was another entry here, but I'm not sure how much those contracts were at that time. I was off my computer. Or if you're a safe trader, which I highly recommend to be a safe trader, not a more aggressive trader like me. But the safest entry would have been right here when it broke the pre-market low. And that's what I always post when I post my watch list, is the break of the pre-market low. But once you get used to seeing patterns like this, you may be more comfortable taking early entries when you see rejections like this, especially on the 5-minute chart. So if your goal is like $100 a day, you can simply buy 10 contracts and invest $150 and make $150 in a day and be done trading. So I hope this helps someone understand how simple trading can be if you just find your pre-market levels, your support and resistance levels. If you're interested in taking these kind of alerts, I will post the link below. Mustache and Define Trading and we post live alerts. We also update the alerts throughout the day as well. We have a free trial. I'll post that as well. If you're interested in one-on-one help to learn more about trading, I can help you with that. I'm more of a teacher than a alerter, but I do both. So that's all I wanted to say today, you guys. I just want everyone to stop gambling and following alerts that's losing, and let's start getting educated. Let's rebuild your confidence and get back to the money. That's why we're all here, right? Have a great day. See you on the next one.